Hello my friends and welcome to this channel. On tonight's tutorial I'll show us on how to make items on a recycler view, drag and droppable. So let's see how it is in our test APK. So when I populate, this works for any data on a recycler view. So for this tutorial I'm just going to populate our recycler view with a test dummy data. So I just name the item one data 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So assembling it this way, you can see I can drag an item, change it. You can use this to even create a puzzle game where they can reorder and reshuffle puzzle items. So this is it. You can reorder items in a recycler view in sketchware. So I made a more block, just a one more block. So don't need more codes, writing code, arranging code, doing all that. No, you don't need. So once you add your recycler view, normally assume you know how to add a recycler view and you have enabled app compat library, and then you have set up your custom UI and bind it to your recycler view normally. So the standard way of adding recycler view, just add this more block, which is the magic, no extra codes, and then you go to our import and import this necessary classes, and then just the way you arrange your UI for your custom, for binding your custom view. So in our create, we set our layout manager how you normally do it. So this is the original way of adding recycler view in sketchware. So this code, all you just need to do is select your recycler view and select your list map. So the list map that you create your recycler view, which is this one here, you also add it for the add drag and drop to recycler view. So you see it's pretty much easy. Setup is easy, no codes, nothing. All you just need to do is import the moblog and use as is. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share. Support Sketchly to grow. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You can share to those who ask questions in your social community, in your sketchware platforms. You can share our tutorial when people ask questions. That is another way of helping us reach people who need us and to help us to continue stay free. Is another way of motivation. It's actually a payment because all our projects, support and everything is totally free and public. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share.